How to see deleted messages on iPhone. To see deleted messages on iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up the default messaging app on your phone. Once you open it, you can view all the conversations. From here, tap on Edit at the top left corner. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, tap on Show Recently Deleted. Now, you can see all the deleted conversations from here. Select the messages and tap Delete in the bottom left corner of your screen. You have permanently deleted the message from your iPhone. Once you're finished, tap on Done in the top right corner of your screen. You can also tap on Delete All to remove everything at once. It also shows the days remaining before deletion. After that time, messages will be permanently deleted. This process takes about 40 days to complete. By following these simple steps, you can easily see deleted messages on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.